Next method is assumed mean method in group data. We have already discussed direct method. Direct method and assumed mean method, three columns are same. Okay, first three columns are same for both direct method and assumed mean method. Write three columns. Class interval, first column class interval, second column number of students, and class mark. Here we have to find the mean value for previous problem. Okay, three columns are same for both direct method and assumed mean method. This is the direct method, this is assumed mean method. In name assumed mean, here we have to assumed mean, it denoted with A. Okay, in first step is to choose one among the xi. This is the xi. First step is to choose one among the xi's as the assumed mean and denoted it by A. Okay, what is A value? Here A equal to how to choose A? Reduce our calculation work, we may choose A equal to, A lies in the center of I. Center values. Here we have two values. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 even numbers. So center values are two values, 47.5 and 62.5. Which is better? A equal to, I choose 47.5. Okay, here assumed mean is A equal to 47.5. Next column DI. DI means deviation of A from each step. DI equal to xi minus A. This is the deviation of A from each step. DI equal to xi minus A. Here xi is the 17.5 minus A value assumed mean 47.5. 17.5 minus 47.5 equal to minus 30. Next step, deviation of A 32.5 minus A value 47.5, which is equal to minus 15. Next 47.5 minus 47.5 equal to 0. Next 62.5 minus 47.5 equal to 15. Next 77.5 minus 47.5 equal to plus 30. Next step, 92.5 minus 47.5 equal to 45. Okay, this is the deviation. Next column, Fi into Di. Fi is the number of students, Di is the deviation. Fi into Di, 2 into minus 30 minus 60, 3 into minus 15 minus 45, 7 into 0 0, 6 into 15, 6 15s are 90, 6 into 30 180, 6 into 45 is 270. Okay, here mean deviation d bar equal to sigma fi di by sigma summation of fi di by summation of fi. What is the sum? 60 plus 45, this value equal to minus 105, this is positive 540. Therefore fi di equal to 540 minus 105, 435. Sigma fi, number of students are 30. Mean deviation d bar equal to summation of fi di by summation of fi. In place of di, we know di equal to xi minus a. Okay, di equal to xi minus a fi. In place of di we can write xi minus a by sigma fi, which is equal to fi into xi minus fi into a by sigma fi. fi xi by sigma fi, separately write sigma fi a by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi, we know summation of fi xi by summation of fi. X bar mean equal to x bar equal to fi xi by sigma fi. Okay, so in place of summation of fi xi by summation of fi, we can write x bar. Here a is common, sigma fi by sigma fi is cancelled, which is equal to x bar minus a. Okay, this is the mean deviation. D bar equal to mean minus a. Here we have to find the mean value x bar. X bar equal to mean deviation plus assumed mean a. Therefore x bar equal to d bar plus a. What is d value? D equal to fi di by sigma fi di by sigma fi. 435 by 30, which is equal to 3 table 3 ones, 3 4s 12 3 5s, 145 by 10, which is equal to 14.5. Okay, we know mean deviation 14.5 and assumed mean a equal to 47.5. Therefore here we have to find the mean value, mean e. X bar equal to d bar we get 14.5 plus a value 47.5, which is equal to 62. Here we get mean equal to 62. In direct method we got mean is 62. Okay, both are same. This method is known as assumed mean method. This is the important method.